Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's Timothy Williams Jr. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys the 5 best credit cards for someone with bad credit. Building your credit score and moving up in the credit card ranks give you the ability to travel for free, lower interest rates, and great welcome bonuses. Each credit card have their own benefit, but at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you guys my favorite credit card of them all, so be sure to stick around. If your credit score starts anywhere from 300 to a 640, sit down, stand up, do whatever you need to do for the next 10 to 15 minutes so you can find out which credit card works best for you. Building credit starts with understanding your credit score as a whole. I do have a video on how to increase your credit score, but chances are if you're watching this video, you have bad credit. The biggest portion of your credit score is your payment history. It makes up 35% of your FICO credit score. Before getting any credit cards mentioned in this video, remember that your credit score is most affected by if you're making payments on time. The first credit card on this list is the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Secured Credit Card. The great thing about this card, it offers 5% cash back on your first $2,000 you spend of combined net eligible purchases in the first quarter of the 2 categories you choose. 5% back on air, hotel, and car reservations booked in the Travel Reward Center, 2% cash back on your choice of one everyday category such as gas station or grocery store, 1% cash back on all other purchases, no limit on the cash back that you earn, and also you can get the cash back earned deposited into your bank account, a statement credit, or you can use it in the reward center. Some cons to this credit card: you must enroll each quarter to earn rewards. Also, all of your rewards expire after 36 months. But to be honest, you won't be using this credit card for 36 months because you're going to make your payments on time and doing everything that you're supposed to do to make this card from secured to unsecured, and then getting other credit cards that earn better cash rewards so you can be putting more money in your pocket, traveling for free, and earning better interest rates when getting better credit cards. Next, we have the Navy Federal nRewards Secure Credit Card. This credit card is great. There's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, which means if you travel anywhere outside of the US, they won't charge you to use this card. You earn 1 point back per dollar spent, which equivalents to about a penny per dollar spent. It's not a lot, but it will add up, and not a lot of secured credit cards offer you rewards for getting a secured credit card, so it is an added benefit of this credit card. No cash advance fee and no balance transfer fee. The only con that I did find about this credit card, you have to have access to a relative who is active or a veteran of the US military. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll know that Navy Federal is by far my favorite credit union of all time. So if you can get access to join Navy Federal, I highly suggest that you do join them and take advantage of this card if possible. Third on the list, we have the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Credit Card. The great thing about this credit card, you have unlimited 1.5% cash back on all eligible purchases and no foreign transaction fee. The great thing about the 1.5% cash back, you can work towards getting your security deposit back by earning rewards and using those rewards to turn it into cash. The con to this card is the interest. It's 26.99% APR. But to be honest, as long as you're making payments on time and making them in full, you won't have to worry about that interest. And you will be earning the 1.5% cash back, so you can be accruing rewards as well as money into your pocket. So this is a great card as long as you're gonna make those payments on time and make them in full to earn that cash back. Fourth on the list is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Reward Secured Credit Card. The great thing about this card, it has a simple reward structure and easy to manage, unlike some of these other cards mentioned in this video. And the potential to turn this card from secured to unsecured is very high as long as you're making your payments on time and doing what you're supposed to do. Some cons to this card: there's a foreign transaction fee, which is terrible, and also it has a higher than normal minimum security deposit coming in at $300. Normally you only need to put $200 down as a minimum, so the $300 is a bit pricey if you're someone who only has $200 to put down for a security deposit. And last but not least, we have the Discover It Secured Credit Card. Ask anyone, they're gonna recommend this secured credit card for someone with bad credit. The great thing about this card, no annual fee, free FICO access each month. What that means is you can check your credit score for free. Remember, the purpose of getting a secured credit card is because you have bad credit. And if you can check your FICO score each month, you can see the improvement of your credit score. And last but not least, the best part about it is they have a welcome bonus. No other secured credit card is doing a welcome bonus. The welcome bonus is they're matching your cash back at the end of the first year. So if you accumulated $100 for that year, they're gonna match that $100 as well and give you a combined $200. The $100 you earned as well as the match that they're giving you. There are no other secured credit cards that is offering this. This is by far the best secured credit card that you can get. The only con I found about this card is the rewards are capped. But to be honest, you're not getting into a secured credit card for the sole purpose of the rewards. Honestly, you're getting the secured credit card because you have bad credit and you're looking to increase your credit score. So the good outweigh the bad. You're still getting rewards, you're checking your score every month for free, and all the other great perks of getting this secured credit card. All of these secured credit cards have their pros as well as their cons, but to be honest, you need to know exactly how to pick a secured credit card. First things first, you need to avoid annual fees. You don't need to be paying any annual fees to a secured credit card. The only annual fees you need to be paying for are the American Expresses or the great cash reward cards that offer cash rewards as well as other added benefits. I personally pay $49 of an annual fee for my Navy Federal card that I do have, but to be honest, I get 2% cash back on all purchases and 3% back on travel. That $50 fee that I'm getting charged annually isn't anything because I'm earning way more throughout the year than that $50 that they're charging me. Check the minimum deposit amount. They may require you to put down $500, but you only have $200. So shop around and find the card that offers $200 rather than the $500 that still have some benefits of the things that you're looking for. Make sure the secured credit card reports to all three bureaus. There are some cards out here that don't report to all three bureaus, and the purpose of you getting a secured credit card is for your bad credit so you can build your credit score. So if it doesn't report to all three of them, steer away. Do not get that credit card at all because honestly, it's a waste. It's not reporting and maximizing your credit by reporting to all three bureaus, so I would highly suggest that you stay away. Check for fees and read the fine print. Some secured credit cards charge you an application fee, a monthly maintenance fee, as well as an annual fee. Read the fine print and make sure the only thing that you're paying for is the security deposit. Ultimately, the goal is to use whichever card you get approved for to build your credit and turn that credit card from secured to unsecured. After building your credit, you'll enjoy all the perks of having good credit. You'll be able to do everything you've always wanted to do that require credit. But before you guys go, I want you guys to write down your goals. No, I'm not talking about the standard goals that everyone tells you to write down, like the make $1 million in a day, make $100 million in a year. Those are big time goals. Those aren't the small goals that I'm talking about. Me personally, I have a planner that I write down my day-to-day things every single day. Once I achieve those things, I cross them off. It starts to build confidence for myself. So write down those small goals every single day. Get you a planner just like I have here. Write down those small goals. Once you start to build up that confidence, then you can begin to write down those bigger goals and you'll have the confidence to achieve those. Because if you start off with the bigger goals, you're never going to have the confidence or you're not going to work to achieve those goals because you're going to feel that they're out of reach. So start small and build big and just build that confidence and you'll be able to do anything you've always wanted to do because you have the confidence to do so. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to punch that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel out tremendously and I would highly appreciate it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a video, and as always, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much.